out of what is fundamentalism and moralism. You see, you're supposed to be gods. Nobody was supposed to teach you how to behave. You say you the gods. Is it not written in your law that ye are God? John chapter 10, verse 34, 36. Well, hell, if you gods, don't tell me that you're going to be a god and you need moral behavior when the animals that so-called under you don't need no moral behavior. It just is. The reason is that you've been hit in the head and you just don't know that your nature is that of God. And that's the key. That's the metaphysical key to everything, is becoming God. That's it. The key to all of this is becoming God. Nothing else. Nothing about how you behave. Nothing about what you did. None of that. Of course, they do give you these moralistic things for you to get by inspirationally while you're down here. But the key to everything is becoming God. That's it. Nothing short of that. All the rest of the stuff is garbage. You see, and that's the keys to the Bible that we're going to break into today. So, but if they talk about becoming gods and they're saying, who is the elect? We know we're the elect, but he's literally saying, other than what moralism is saying about all the brothers and sisters that's in prison, that's sinners, unless they repent, he's saying, hell, them my main people is the ones that's out here doing the crazy stuff. Now, I know that's hard to get into if you're thinking on a third dimensional level. But we're going to explain once and for all why things that are going down that's got black people crazy, that you think that is ungodly, is the most divine, including killing somebody. And I'm not talking, see, first of all, we're not talking to the masses. If I go, and I wouldn't go into Perry homes and tell people a certain thing. So therefore, I wouldn't want you to say, we're talking to the gods. Believe it or not, you are going to be the people that's going to get your people out of this shit. That's bottom line. If you are here now, right now, when you can be someplace else, that's because they have chosen you even though you don't know it yet. And I'll show you in the book of Revelation where you're going to be the light bringer. It's simple. There's going to be an army, an elect army that's going to come to get the rest of them out. And whether you like it or not, all the brothers and sisters is in this Afrocentric thing or whatever. Whether you follow Yahweh ben Yahweh, whether you follow the Nation of Islam, and the Minister Louis Farrakhan, they took an elect few people that's supposed to be the light bringer to get the rest of the 60 million out here, and 80 million in Brazil, and billions across the world. It's that's the disperse. You understand what I'm saying? So, when you say it's hard for me to believe that God favors those brothers and sisters that's on crack, he favors those brothers and sisters that's killing and all that. First of all, killing is only doing one thing. Killing only registers as something hideous on the third dimension. All you do is you transform the body, and the body goes, and the energy just go back to the spiritual level. Now, I'm not telling you that you're supposed to go out and kill. I'm trying to tell you how you won't get emotional on what's going on. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not trying to tell you to go out and kill, but I'm telling the gods that you don't supposed to be getting emotional on what's going on. What's going on is beautiful because that's a transformation. It only looks like it's hideous because you are basing on the third dimension, no physical level. This is death. That's life. So if a brother and sister so happen to die from either ending his life physically or some disease or whatever, he's only transforming, and you got to get that. You understand? Once you conquer death, you got it. Because that's life. This is death. All right?